Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn piano without notes. We'll begin by developing your ear. Listen carefully to simple tunes, focusing on the melody's direction. Try to identify the highest and lowest notes you hear. Then, practice singing along to match the pitches. This foundational ear training is crucial for playing by feel and intuition, building a strong connection between sound and your fingers. Next, let's explore chords and patterns. Understanding basic chord shapes such as C major and G major is fundamental. These building blocks help you grasp how music is structured. Notice how different chords evoke various emotions. Practice common chord progressions, like the popular C-G minor F sequence, to develop muscle memory and a sense of harmonic movement on the keyboard. Now it's time to get creative with improvisation. Don't be afraid to experiment with various scales and modes, letting your fingers explore the keys freely. Play around with different rhythms and tempos to discover new sounds. Recording your practice sessions can be incredibly helpful. Listen back to identify what sounds good and where you might want to refine your technique, fostering your unique musical voice. Consistent practice is key to mastering piano without notes. Aim for 15 to 30 minutes each day to build skill and confidence. Explore the many online tutorials and apps available. They offer valuable guidance and exercises. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends on this musical journey. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals to support your practice sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.